create content and brainstorm faster using Google Docs voice typing or speech-to-text feature. Hey, it's Auret here from Essetino Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your ideas onto Google Docs hands-free, and specifically how to use the voice typing feature in this program so it can really streamline your writing and idea generation workflow. This video is going to already assume that you know how to pull up a Google Doc, so we have one here waiting for us. So let's get right into it. I have a Google Doc opened here, and all you need to do is go to Tools and then Voice Typing. So when you click on Voice Typing, it's going to pull up an icon of a microphone here. When you hover over it, you'll see this little question mark in the corner here. When you click on that, it's going to pull up a very helpful toolbox. And I'm telling you to bring this up first thing because scroll down to the bottom here where it says Use Voice Commands. I found this section to be very helpful because it's going to let you know what commands you can give Google Docs in order to properly format the ideas and write everything down as you want it to be written down. So for example, let's just click on Format Your Document. You can say to it, apply title or bold or italicize before you say a line, and it's going to bold it for you. There's all of these things here that you can really go into, but if you're just wanting to use this to get your ideas down on paper, just use it very simply for it to write out your words, then all you really need to know are the simple commands of maybe adding a period or a comma or saying new line or deleting a certain piece in what you just wrote. So we'll go through an example together, and we're going to start by clicking on the mic to start speaking. So when you click on it, it turns the mic on. It's going to start listening to you and start typing. Now it says if you get this message, Google Docs can't turn on your microphone, or maybe you click on it and it has a little pop-up box saying, do you allow Google Docs to use your microphone? You want to click on allow. This case, I've turned it off before. So if you see this box, all you need to do is click on this. I don't even know what to call this, but it's beside the URL of in your browser here. So I'm going to click on that, and then you can toggle this to turn your microphone on. And of course, make sure you have a microphone plugged in if you don't already before you turn it on. I'm going to reload this page, and we're going to try clicking on the microphone again and see if that helps. Okay, so let's go to Tools, Voice Typing. I'm going to click to speak. See, it already started typing exactly what I'm saying. So this is where you can just free flow your ideas onto paper, and it's going to type out exactly what you say. So this is perfect for anyone who just likes to verbalize their ideas and doesn't want to do that all day, every day on their phone with voice notes that they need to go and find after. It gets your ideas directly onto paper, and this can be used to create social media posts, blog posts, guides, or training documents, just about anything that you use Google Docs for, period. All right, I'm just gonna, I just turned it off. So when you click that mic again, it's gonna turn it off, and I'm just gonna delete this part here. But you can see that it's very good at listening to what you want to write down. You can even do this in different languages. There's a section in the help, if you click here on the question mark, and there's a languages area where you can see all of, right here, languages that work with voice typing. All of these languages are supported here. So if you wanted to change the language, you could come to this drop down menu and just change it up, and it will hear it. The one thing I will say though is I found it to be sometimes a little bit glitchy. Like when I said new line previously, like it would glitch out and have to start over. Or another thing that I didn't like is I can't just say delete or remove. I actually have to take my mouse and put the cursor where I want to delete and then actually physically delete it until I'm ready to start up again, start talking again. So it would be nice, if I could just say the command delete or remove, and it would backtrack, because I think that's a very important integral command. Like I said, this is just a way for you to get all of your ideas down, and then you can always, I find it's always helpful to just get it all down, all verbalized at once, and then you can sit down, take a break, sit down at a different time, and come back and edit it and format it however you like. So that's how to use the Google Docs voice typing feature. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and if so, please do give it a thumbs up to let other people know that this is valuable content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.